Hello everyone, good evening. Welcome to Odoo for Beginners. Today I am going to represent and discuss one use case that is regarding with manufacturing. So that use case is manufacturing, subcontracting, manufacturing. So without wasting the time, let's understand what that use case is that. So this use case is regarding with that manufacturing of wooden table. Wooden table we are manufacturing at our warehouse. For that we require the tabletop. That tabletop we are manufacturing at our warehouse, but for furnishing and for polishing we are forwarded that tabletop to our subcontractor. So here second scenario with that is the subcontracting, and after receiving that product at our warehouse, that table legs and screws will be assembled with that tabletop, and our final product, that wooden table, will be in our hand. So here three scenario. First, tabletop will be at our warehouse. For the polishing we are forwarded to our subcontractor. After receiving from our subcontractor, that table leg screw will be assembled and the final product will be in our hand. So without wasting the time, let's jump to the database and let's check what the configuration is that. So in this database I have already configured those all products. So let me go to those products. But before that, let me jump to that bill of materials directly. Okay. So here this is our three products. First one, that we are manufacturing tabletop. Second thing, that finished tabletop which will be forwarded to our subcontractor. And third one, this one is my final product. So let's check the bill of material first. Tabletop we are manufacturing here. So here you can see that the BOM type is the manufacturing type. Here these components are already available in our stock, and there is an operation of that cutting, and then tabletop will be created. This is a simple manufacturing. It will be at our warehouse, and if we will see the routes for that, so this is we are going to manufacture. So it will be an MTO plus manufacture. Okay, along with that, for tabletop we require this all components. Those all components are in our stock. So this is first thing. Now let's discuss the second bill of material, which is our finished tabletop. Here, as I have mentioned, that it's some kind of the subcontracting. We are using that subcontracting. Here it's subcontracting is dressing. Here if we want to subcontracting this product with our subcontractor, then of course we have to send that raw materials to our subcontractor. So here you can see that we have already manufactured. So this will be forwarded to our subcontractor. He will do his job. He will polished and furnish that tabletop, and it will be forwarded to our warehouse as a finished tabletop. So now route configuration on these products are very important. If we will open it, so this is the subcontractor. So here that MTO plus buy is there, and in the purchase part we can see that the subcontractor is already attached. If I will check the bill of material, and this is very important, as we are manufacturing in our warehouse. So here you can see that the MTO plus manufacturing is already there, but this component is forwarded to our subcontractor. So here you can see that resupply subcontractor on order. We have to make this boolean on for this product. This is regarding the second. And third one, which is we are going to manufacture at our warehouse. This is the wooden table. Here the operation will be that assembly. So here the table legs screw are manufactured. It's attached with our finished tabletop. So for that, just let me delete this. Okay, and now thing is that here this one is important, and if you will check the bill of material, okay, so here you can see that everything is there. Now let's start the process. Okay, so now there is a customer who has a demand for that product. So let me select that customer, and that product is wooden table, and he has a demand of 10. We are just gonna confirm it. So you can see that confirmation of this sales order will create the manufacturing order. So this manufacturing order is created, but because of that MTO plus buy, here purchase order is automatically created for that subcontractor. Let me open it, and here you can see that this is already created. Now let me confirm it. So if I am confirming this, so here we have to forward it, we have to send that tabletop to our subcontractor. So of course manufacturing order will be created. So let me open that manufacturing order. So for that, let me go to that manufacturing. and operations, manufacturing orders, and here you can see that. Let me check which one was that. This is regarding with our wooden table. This is, let me group by the product. Here it will be for tabletop, and here tabletop this is. Okay, so let's check that. Okay, this is created. Now all components are available and we are just going to produce all. So this component is in our warehouses. Now here you can see that this is resupply is there. Here we are going to resupply to our customer, to our subcontractor. We have resupplied, and at the receipt we are going to receive this finished tabletop. Now here everything is there. This finished tabletop is now in our warehouse. Now if I will open the manufacturing order, you can see that for manufacturing this wooden table, this is in our locations, this all are in our stock, and let me just produce all. So now this is one scenario that is quite complex, but using the Odoo standard, if we configure the all routes properly, it will be very easily executed with vanilla implementation. So this is the case. You can test it, you can try it, and let me know if you have any queries. Thank you.